Greetings Greece. We are anonymous. We are watching every day the evolutions happening in your country. The first part of this message is for the extremist right-wing party of Greece, Golden Dawn. The one responsible for the death of 34-year-old Pavlos Vissas. He died on the night of 18th of September 2013 in Athens. The members responsible for the merciless death of Pavlos Vissas is known as Kalopi. It is so sad in the country that created democracy. Two such events occur. We are opposed to such extreme ideologies, and certainly we do not dream to live in such a world. Dear Golden Dawn, as part of our reaction to the death of Pavlos Vissas, we can't stay and watch just like that. We are talking for a human life here. There is nothing you can do to stop us at this point. You should have expected this will happen. Golden Dawn, your website has passed to our possession. All your base belong to us.
We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We will not forget. Expect us.
This second part of the message is for the people of Greece and Cyprus. Please, stop wasting your time with nonsenses. Wake up and see what's happening around you. Wake up, and you will see that your government is doing its best to impose itself. Most of the time by force. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Too late to expect us anymore. We are already here. United by one, divided by zero. Divided we fall, united we stand.
Εμείς δεν βιώσαμε τον πόλεμο, ούτε τη δικτατορία. Μήπως και τελικά αυτό που ακόμα